guys, this is me, and today I have couple of wash machines. Yeah, I only got two in this room. One is this wash machine, but that I don't know. Oh, this is Sangyong symbol. It's dirty. Yeah. And and this one's my favorite one. This is the Maytag Centennial. Yeah. The drum here, I didn't place it yet because I have to change it. Because the old one, yeah, it's rubbish. It's dirty, so I'm putting a new one. That's gonna upload soon. I'm gonna video this like a few days. Yeah. So get ready, guys, to meet this cool Maytag Centennial. I just have the drum because I have to replace it. And I also replaced the door. Like, the video that I drink spoiled milk and vomit in the washing machine. You know that? On December 31, where I uploaded in the perfect timing. Yeah. This is the one. And I cleaned it up and replaced it with a new panel and new door, and the drum is about to become replaced. Yeah. Okay, I found this is my toy. It's old. This is a broken Hammer H2 toy. And seriously, I don't care about H2s. Yeah. I just like H3s. But not anymore because people call it trash and yeah. So by the way, okay, sorry about these broken toys that I made. Oh my god, I accidentally broke them. So I decided to break them more. Oh. Bad. Okay, so this is the car. I mean wash machine. Yeah. It's gonna be replaced soon. This is yeah. Range Rover toy. What the heck is this? Okay, guys. Ah! I'm a piss a bit of something. I'm a piss a bit of. Yeah, Hummer. No, I don't care about you, Hummer. Get out. Get out! You know what? I'm just gonna kill you by this in this washing machine. Bad! What are you? You scratch me! Why would you do that? There. Now he's dead. Oh, bit. He's still alive. go there. I don't care about you. No, you're dead. Yeah. Does any one of you guys hate hammers? Like, you know what's hammers? Okay. If some of you don't know what's hammers, then it's a big off-roading vehicle that shut down because they got bankrupt. Yeah, I don't know why I'm now talking about hammers. Why did they change the topic? Okay, now I'm talking about washing machines. I'm replacing a new drum. Hey, what are you looking at? What are you looking at? No. 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 Hey. Yes. Yes. Okay, I got this box. Yeah. A car box. Hummer World. Many months ago, I like Hummers, but now no, because people call it garbage and they don't like it. Yeah. And it got shut down because, yeah, they got bankrupt. Okay, anyway, so. Okay. Have you not noticed that there's a dinosaur in front of you? Roar! Roar! What are you looking at? Extra wheel of a Land Cruiser? Done. Why are you looking at Hammer? Why? Why are you looking at me? Whoa, why are you looking at my Hammer? Why are you looking at, man? Ow! Attack! Yeah! No! Ew. Okay, guys, so anyway, what are you doing your pencil? What are you doing your rusty screw? Aha! I got an idea with this toy shotgun. Hey, box! What is it? Haha, you're poor. What did you call me? You're poor. What did you say, Range Rover box? You're not rich and nobody likes you. Oh, why baby, I want mercy, Mama, please. I want mercy, Mama, please. Why not me? Why not me? Mama, please. That's what you get for calling me poor man. And no one likes you or so. That's what you get for always talking to me. Mama, please. What did you say? Mama, please. Yeah.